Good morning and welcome to my home. I'm doing my May design team project for Studio28 Designs. That's by Sherry. I decided this month that what I would look at, instead of a digital paper pack where you make pages, that what I would do is I would look at ephemera. So we do a fair bit of traveling, and in many antique stores and in many museums, you see this kind of a package set up that someone has collected letters or postcards or memorabilia over a period of time and tied it up, done it in nice paper and put it on their desk or their bureau in their bedrooms. And so I thought I would feature some of Sherry's ephemera. So let's get the ephemera folder is a tutorial by the Book Vandal, and I quite like her tutorials. I'll link them below for you. So this ephemera folder is tied together with lace or string as you find them in historical shops. The paper on the folio, the ephemera folio, is again by Studio28E, and it is called Peaches and Cream Delight. So it flips up. I like this with the butterflies. It flips up and then it flips down, and then I put the tabs in the middle, opening it up like a bank folder. And it opens up and has more ephemera in it. And then on the back there is more as well. So let's get into this. So again, this is the Peaches and Cream Delight paper. And I've used the same page throughout the folio so that I could make it hold together. So So we're just going to look at ephemera. So there we go. Again, you have the Peaches and Cream Delight paper. And in the front pocket, we have ephemera from Ephemera Kit 2. And these are coffee dyed. But lovely places to put something on, or someone could use this and you could give it as a gift and they could make their own journals out of them. A ration card. Oops, sorry. Product card. It was fun just working with an ephemera package. This one is the front and back of an envelope, which makes a nice little writing spot on the inside. A gasoline purchase permit. This one, you could cut it into 2 pieces of ephemera. Again, I used it so that it opened up into a little reading area, or pardon me, writing area. I remember these from my childhood. I am dating myself seriously. And then the package, the kit number 2, has a number of letters in them, which again you would find in this kind of a historical collection. And on the back, a lovely piece of writing page for whoever gets the kit or would be sending it. I would be sending it to or purchasing it. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet. So that pocket goes in this way. The bottom, there's a pocket here as well. Again, this is more of the Peaches and Cream Delight paper. It's very beautiful. The other ephemera package I worked with is the Easter postcards. It was one of the only postcard kits that was on the that Studio28 has. And again, it's a collection, so it's the sort of thing you would find in this, and with lots of writing space on the back. I think ephemera kits don't get their due often. When we make the books, the pages are so often featured, yet it's the ephemera that, in my opinion, makes the book. These are done on harder cardstock. And here we have a letter, again with the envelope on the back. You could send this in Happy Mail to someone. You could include it with a book, a journal, so that they could, with the extra ephemera in it. So then this opens up, and we're going to look at the bottom ephemera first. Again, the Peaches and Cream Delight paper. So we have these Woolworths. I worked at Woolworths. These are on just printer paper, so there would be, again, for keeping notes in. And here what I've done is I've used some of the Peaches and Cream Delight paper and just backed it on that. And the same here. These little folios hold a great deal of ephemera, and the two kits fit in here very nicely. Then this opens up, and it holds lots and lots of stuff. But an example of how you can use an ephemera pack, one digital paper, and create something that would make a beautiful gift for someone. Again, this is some of the paper that I backed it on it. I haven't gone around the edges with any inks. Some people like that, some people don't, so I thought I would just leave it. I'm a little discombobulated, and I apologize for that. My husband's just gone through some surgery, and we're all just sort of trying to recover from that as well. He's doing very well. So that, again, in this folder, you just tie I don't know what they call these. A bank envelope is what I mean. I remember seeing them on, but those fold together like that. Then this flips up. We've gone through this one already, and then this comes down, and you go to the back, and you have some more. And again, the paper put on here so it looks like the pocket disappears, but it's still there. This is one of my favorite. Sorry, I have to come up with some better lighting for my videotape. So this is just one where I've taken the postcard back. So there you have it. 2 ephemera packages from Studio28E. Oops, I'm sorry. Studio28E. It is the paper that I have decorated the Book Vandal Shop's Ephemera Folio tutorial project with is called Peaches and Cream Delight. And then the items such as these came out of the Studio28E Ephemera Kit 2, very versatile. And the Easter postcards came out of the Easter postcard ephemera kit. And again, they work very nicely to create lovely journaling spots. Thank you very much, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I look forward to the next design team project.